Usage and procedure. 1. Open the top cover of the hive. Two. Remove the vinyl cover of Mite K with a knife. Three. Install the Mite K facing up at the center of the comb after the vinyl cover is removed. Tip: the formic acid vaporizes well if you place a wooden bar on the Mite K before covering the hive. 4. When formic acid is vaporized, cover the hive with vinyl to prevent the formic acid from leaking to the top of the hive. 5. Close the lid of the hive. Six. Open the ventilation door, B entrance. Conditions for use. Before administering Mite K to the entire apiary, test 2 to 3 hives in advance. Administer when the humidity of apiary is below 65%. Administer when the temperature of apiary is above 18 degrees Celsius, 64.4 degrees Fahrenheit, and below 34 degrees Celsius, 93.2 degrees Fahrenheit, at 4 hours before sunset is best. Vent the bottom, B entrance, of the hive. First treatment, then second treatment 6-7 days later is best. After administration of Mite K, the gel is dried and separated from the packaging usually in 4 days later. Bees don't eat the dried gel, but it should be discarded as general waste after drying.